Bitches on my friend, bitches on my friend, bitches on my friend, bitches on my friend. Send you, I did my God, they must stand like 10. Yeah.
Nugget unas fast, nugget unas fast. Molweni, guys, molweni, sanibonani, abusheni, wherever you are. Hello, yabo. This is Public Matter Butter, and we're back with another vlog. We're back with another banger.
Another banger.
We're back with bad decisions.
Okay, guys, this is Tamabheka. Ubheka izinto, sakubheka, unibheke, sibhekane. Emotionally.
Danko.
As introducer now.
Yeah.
Yo, what's going on YouTube? I go by the name J Pablo, but ladies call me the Daglin Master Chocolate.
You feel me?
So today, guys, basically we're gonna be having fun all night.
Yeah.
So, in now,
Yeah.
data and type.
We're gonna bring you with us.
Peace guap.
Cool.
Time.
Yeah, man. We tell for nothing to
Wow.
Yeah, man. Sign I said again. How many percent? 43. I need why, man. Look,
It is a good shot. Tata
it's a good shot. KW, let me taste you today.
I'm fucked up.
Slap.
I'm very fucked up. Okay, elong ba indoda izakhe. Yabo, elong ba indoda izakhe. You feel.
Kesifumele uyosoyithenga masithiwa into egama lakhe.
KWV.
Pop noyibona.
KWV. Yo.
There's a lot going on tonight.
Yabo, I'm fucked up, mara. Later on, I'm gonna be hyperactive. I'm gonna be hyperactive. Mara now, for now, I'm gonna rest.
What's going on?
Jungle baby. Ice cream. Yeah?
Must eat before so jwala. Jwala buko right.
Unser Waffe. Zenzeli plate. Ngizotakwa namhlanje. Kunjani bro? Scrumptious. You see this?
I don't want to be like this. I want to be like this.
What does that even mean?
Le mina namhlanje. Ngathi ke yenzeka le mina namhlanje.
Deja vu. Bigger.
Dumelang, sanibonani. Public Matter Butter here. It's late. Ngiyanyewa. Today, asinalanduka namhlanje. Asinavasho namhlanje.
Wait. Ithini? Tiko.
Asinavasho namhlanje. But still, it's a good budget, so
Yeah.
still budget.
Very, it's not expensive.
Ocanga uthi yiwine. Hayi. Yi-whiskey.
Ibrandy.
Dude, bro. Smooth, way.
Guys, namhlanje. Mele steli.
Enjoy.
Siphume comfort zone. So no.
Namhlanje ngicela njenge-Grootman. Ngixoleleni guys. Ngizo-order farmer.
Yeah.
Lana uphi hleli netshomi zam kurongo.
Ngisehamba.
Focus, boy.
Red Bull give you wings.
I zoom no zoom. I phone no zoom.
Your phone.
Nana, upina.
Your phone. Kurongo. Ishazizela abantwana.
Yo. Okay, word of the day. Sometimes you must pop up and show niggas.
Okay. Ayiyo le ngoba idla ipithi yayo leya.
Hey, bafana.
What's happening? Hi, Sateta. Guys, what's going on, everybody? I go by the name J Pablo. Our ladies coming to Daglin Master Show. Let's hear from So today, guys, basically we're having fun. It's for my comfort zone, but it's late. If like as couple but Gary is gonna
get there. We're gonna get there.
Anyway.
Type shit.
So yeah.
Type shit.
Don't care about the budget. Look after your emotions. Udlimali krosa. Udlimali amafa. Wherever you are. Udlimali insurance. Whatever, yeah.
You, my insurance.
Yeah, my police.
You, bad decisions.
Reverse. Kurongo.
Utamapega.
DJ Mapega. DJ Mapega. DJ Mapega.
Kurongo. Ishazidlela abantwana. So guys, I'm trying to pop up and show niggas. Make sure man can talk about the nigga.
I'm gonna give you the word of the day. What's all of the day?
Word of the day, more.
Sometimes pop up and show niggas.
Give a fuck about the budget.
Look after emotions. If it's small or short, 1.5 is hang.
Don't worry, I'll buy another one.
Don't worry about a short. I'll buy another one.
That's it. Sure. Nana. Upi. Shenechum Sam. Ishazam. Kurongo. Ishazidlela abantwana.
Football knowledge 101. If you don't know football, do not listen to this shit. Just skip it. 5 seconds skip. Sure. Uyanikapa umntu. Uyamasikhathanda. Dikachiwe namhlanje. Dikachwe 8. Dikapiwe bra.
Katsande is cupping you, bro.
Katsande is everywhere. Katsande is everywhere.
Katsande is doing his job, mate.
But baby, Katsande.
Ababa.
Yazo ibukela le.
Public Meta Boss, I loving you, mate.
Mrs. Public Meta Bata.
You know yourself. Miss Public Meta Boss, you know yourself, mate.
I'm tired. Don't be a cut, mate.
Well, we are all in love. Love is a beautiful thing, mate.
How you feeling, man?
I'm feeling scrumptious.
Hey, bro, how's the vibe?
The vibe here is exuberant.
The vibe is exuberant.
Scrumptious.
The vibe is scrumptious. People are out.
We are out.
People are beautiful.
I know. My wife is beautiful, bro.
Relax.
Not people. My wife is fucking beautiful.
Relax. People are beautiful, but no one is more beautiful than my girlfriend.
I love you, baby. I love you, baby.
Yes. Uthi la true politin. Ndimamele ndangam.
Ngolile wena. Uyafika phana uyaqona amankazana ondizi. Xa mnandi wathanda amankazana. Hayi bomngane wami sashani mbo.
Chomzame ziyabra.
Okay. Anything to say? Best to go away ke mbo. Ufuna uyenza something.
I would.
Yeah, Buddha.
I would try you. Yola ndipapi ne?
Yeah.
So, sayibeka pha kula section yami.
Yeah.
Saychapa.
Abantwana.
And then when you're gonna sweet talk them.
You're gonna sweet talk.
Them.
Because like ulapha wena.
Ndiyaqala zichomzama.
Okay, mara awukafam ne?
Exactly.
Awukafam manje nenza njani?
So ngizakinto.
Njani bekham ke?
Introduce and be on Kevin De Bruyne and the pass.
I think some of them know me. They've seen me before.
Exactly.
Mara we're gonna see it.
Yeah.
Go to.
D'accord.
angifuna ungibone konke okwami angifuna konke okwami angifuna ukwakika nawe angifuna ukubona lonke ilizwe nawe angifuna ungibone konke okwami angifuna konke okwami
What up, everybody? It is your boy, Pablo Metapata.
I knew I was doing last week. Yo, what's going on? YouTuber go by the name J Pablo. But ladies, call me the Douglas It's the obsession time.
The obsession, no.
The vibe is too much. You. The thing on the weekend is about Papa. It's too much.
Mucho kachani utawapika kakati tinsa kekes ngame bro like it's awesome. It's in the vibe. It's in the vibe. Just watch it, man, bro. Just watch it. Look at me, man, bro. Just watch it. Follow me. Hey Buddha, Olema City. The vibe is awesome. The vibe is awesome. Are you gonna ask people questions or what? Are you gonna ask people questions?
The vibe is too much. Is too much. The vibe is too much.
Is it?
Is too much.
No, let's ask people, random people, guys. Let's ask the random people, most. Is it awesome that way, ne? Is it awesome? Is it awesome?
Too much, bro. But
Too much awesome, ne? Okay, it's fine. Let's say Buddha, Mocho Gachani, Yep session. We're gonna go to a Yep session with the Buddhas.
Okay, guys, too much. I'm trying to feel the pop weekend. Guys, not pop. It's too much. People are having fun. You are also having fun. Yeah. Everyone I woke up, babe.
Yeah.
Guys, strategy so about ubisa bantu.
Yeah.
Baba engage nani.
Yeah.
Because it's not just ladies. Namashita from
Everyone, you can accommodate everyone.
From KwaZulu-Natal.
And everywhere you go.
We got motion. People love us.
Yeah. We got motion. We got motion. We got motion everywhere. Everywhere we go. Every fucking way. Every day. W200 and 90 something.
94.
You W200 294. We almost there, nigga. We almost there. We almost there. We growing.
News Richie said 500 subscribers. Then we gotta do something for you guys.
We're gonna celebrate. We're gonna do something.
We're gonna host a party for you guys.
On December, we're gonna do. Even November, on December, we're gonna do. What is this? Love in the seats. Yeah, baby. Love in the seats. Yeah, man.
Love is in the air.
Love is in the air.
Love is in the air.
Because everyone is cuffed. Me and J Pop are cuffed. I'm also cuffed. I'm single. I'm single. But look at me, dog. I'm a good gent. I'm a good gent. I'm a good gent. He's available. I'm available, guys. I'm available, guys. Mara ke ndiyaphapha kona ke andiphaphi kakhulu xa ninomntu wami uzawuzola ndibilo lomxhosa. So guys, if niyamfuna uTamabheka kwi-Love in the City, comment down below. We're gonna save money and then we're gonna do it for you guys. Yeah, guys. The subscribers. We're up to something, guys. The subscribers. We're up to something, guys. The subscribers. We're up to something. We are growing as a Secret Recipe Podcast. We are growing and it's fun. It's going down. We're going higher. We're going higher. We're going higher. What? We're going higher. Yeah, cut.
Viva la cosa, viva la vai, oi, 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 viva la cosa, viva la cosa, bella, baby.
What's going on, chat? The vibe is too much. Right now in the Nolanda, charcoal. But the vibe is too much. People are having fun. I'm also having fun. So much, man. This was born like a vlog, nani. But it's fucking too much. Everyone is happy. Everyone got paid. The booze is everywhere. People are everywhere. But I'm cuffed. You know where I'm going. Yeah. And I'm sure many of you know Kawan Bakupi. Kawan. It's where things happen. Fuck. Yeah, it's too much. Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm out here looking for a charcoal, but the charcoal is here. But at least I'm not the charger, because the phone arm is dying. The power bank, lapogum. In Indians land, I power bank, but the tatang for a cable for charge phone. But right now I'm here at home. Tell away, but I'm going back to grow. So it's going to be a master. I'm sure there will also be part 2 because there's a lot of people out there. Tibana much some tata clickers cause songs in about Eastern Cape. So it's calm down. Let's just go, guys. Gang.
Braz, it's a master. So about KZN because it's Northern Cape. What the fuck? But okay, you know Namnandi when it comes to Ikruvia TR.
It's the vibe.
Mm.
I would say also the chicks, yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Because like we men, bro.
Yeah.
See, doing a pant kwabo. Yeah, bro. Yeah, the scenery, everything, man. Like, yeah.
Ojoli.
John.
Ojoli. John. So what John Ojoli?
Apa.
Yeah.
Because
you're saying it's the vibe, it's the chicks. That's what you're saying.
Yeah, the vibe, the chicks, bro. Ojolamos doesn't mean that, but okay.
So that's not some understand. But okay, so what would you recommend? Abanda bangazang baza TR. What would you recommend?
Okay. Get your pockets in test, bras.
Okay.
Number 1. Before everything, bro.
Ipokota mayigcwala.
Okay. Bayigcwalanga uyivalele wena. Ungayivuleli abanye abantu.
Because abantwana bazuza kuwe.
Because
I won't lie. Abantwana they will eat your pockets. I won't lie.
Straight up,
okay,
bro.
sure.
Sure.
What
Then
else?
the second thing.
Yeah.
If awunandevu zoba intombi yakho edlale ngazo izodlala wena sobo.
Sungikhala kabi. Ukhala mna kabi. Ukhala mna lomnu. Because I don't have shit. I don't have shit.
Don't come back, what the fuck?
Now they love all my vibe, shawty from the nation, want me to slide. I can be every night, say that night, I'm fucking you outside. You boots, they can shoot it on every single one. Black in my face, I'm here, I don't know what to do, like a 9 o'clock. I think it's cool that the niggas and niggas think I've been born about to take it away. The eyes and the feeling the skies, don't make it like nice. Shake my horns on top of my spoons. You say I'm moving like bullshit. So I'm moving, moving. No fucked up shit, I'm moving. Now, we're a goose. Still looking at my little goose. It's good just to start a new line. These smells always fully lines. You know, I'm seeing I'm on the line. That's in my name, says I'm on the line. All of my niggas always on the side. So when I swoop, my is on the line. But I'm not I always want to lie. Telling that boy, I'm never gonna lie. Yeah, no booze. That's the real things I'm booze. The road to choice with my shoes. Body sounds like kind of squeeze. They say I choose. Yeah, niggas ain't from my schools. You know, my niggas ain't from the road. Baby, treat my life as a movie. Niggas be black in my face, I'm here, I don't know what to do in the night. I think we're cool, niggas and niggas is lame. I've been born about 8 to 40 in the yards and they feeling the skies. They bang like knives, you get in my nose, keep pulling the fucking lines I won't leave for sure. You know that thing you band and you do. Sit down and you got but you oozing, I'm moving, I'm moving. That problem, I'm jelly for sure. You niggas that cheating, you cannot control me. Cheating, I look like niggas before me. I'm trying to do like a man for myself and get out the way and I catch it again.
For surely. Utunxibe leather jackets bags. Turbo Pesta.
Yeah, man.